Terra Classic just tapped into the support zone between 0.40339 and also 0.40378. And we are currently on the daily time frame, by the way. If you're also paying attention to what the MACD indicator for Terra Classic is saying on the daily time frame, you would notice it is now indicating that the bears are getting weaker, and very, very soon we should begin to expect a bullish MACD histogram being printed. Very, very soon. The moment this squeeze get very, very little, we should begin to expect a bullish MACD histogram being printed and also a bullish MACD crossover. Now, this MACD line, the blue line, is likely to cross above the orange line very, very soon. The moment we end this, bearish MACD histogram that is being printed. So I think all signs are pointing towards a potential recovery to the upside for Terra Luna Classic. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. Now, if you're paying attention to the general cryptocurrency market sentiment, you would notice we have recovered from the extreme fear we were last week, which was 24. And so we are now currently in the fear zone 29. And this is January 28, 2026. So I think sooner or later we should begin to, ideally, this is what should happen. We should begin to gradually move into the neutral zone and eventually tap into the grid and extreme grid zone very, very soon, considering that the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame is still holding above the multi-year support territory. This support territory has been valid since 2017 until now. Now, I don't see the altcoin market losing this support territory anytime soon. By the way, this orders chart against the BTC pair, it is the ratio crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptos and also excluding BTC. So, in a simple term, if this chart pumps to the upside, then it means that majority, 98% of the altcoins are outperforming BTC in terms of performance, in terms of pump. And if it dumps, vice versa. So I'm expecting a pump, which if this pump is happening to my target around 0.22, then the altcoin market, Terra Luna Classic, is going to explode. That is just the truth. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. We are left with 3 days and 17 hours until a decision is made. I'm betting on a potential reversal to the upside, a recovery to the upside for the general altcoin market. Now, this is the BTC chart on the daily time frame as well. And ideally, this should be considered a bear flag, right? Which, if you are taking the measurement, is likely to take us far down. And even if we are to get a bounce from here to the upside briefly, to possibly maybe around 99K territory, anything that is, the moment we are heading into the 99K territory, then I think BTC is likely to quickly form a deviation into the 100K and 106K territory. I'm expecting BTC to get a rejection from there. Do you understand? A rejection from that territory back to the downside. If that rejection is happening, then you can expect a slight bounce from here to deceive a lot of people before further correction to 73K. That is if we are getting rejected from this 106K and 100K for BTC. You get. Now, my bullish case scenario would be we breaking above the 106K, flipping that zone into a support with at least few bullish daily candle close above it before we can start expecting further price move to the upside for the BTC price. And if BTC is moving to the upside, then altcoins and Terra Luna Classic is likely to follow suit as well. So as long as Terra Luna Classic is holding above this 0.4037 and also 0.4033, I think there's no cause for alarm at all. And sooner or later, we should begin to expect a bounce back to this significant resistance zone around 0.4049 for Terra Luna Classic. Yeah, that's that for that. Peace out.